Baykar Akinci is a high-altitude, long-endurance unmanned combat aerial vehicle being manufactured by the Turkish technology company Baykar. The aircraft has 5.5 tons of maximum takeoff weight, while 1.3 tons of this is composed by payload. Akinci is equipped with two turboprop engines, which has two different types of thrust capabilities as 450 HP or 750 HP. After Akinci B, an even more advanced model, Akinci C will be equipped with 950 horsepower each for a total of 1900 horsepower. Akinci is equipped with electronic support and countermeasure systems, dual satellite communication systems, air-to-air radar, collision avoidance radar, and National Advanced Synthetic Aperture Radar. The Akinci will be used in operations in cooperation with other fighter jets. The UCAV will be able to operate air-to-ground operations and air-to-air combat. The combat drone has a length of 12.2 meters, height of 4.1 meter, wingspan of 20 meters, and a maximum takeoff weight of 5.5 tons. It has the capability to take off and land on a runway. Weapon payloads on Baykar Akinci UCAV will be fitted with different weapon payloads such as laser-guided smart munitions, missiles, and long-range standoff weapons. The unmanned aircraft can burn Jet A1 and GP8 fuel types. The upward thrust is imparted by a turboprop with 5-blade propeller. The unmanned vehicle can achieve a cruise speed of 150 knots and a maximum speed of 250 knots with an operational range of 5,000 kilometers and an endurance of up to 25 hours. The Akinci broke a record of 40,170 feet altitude. This means it can fly 10,000 feet lower than F-16's max altitude. I believe Baykar is planning the Mius fighter jet to be flying above the troposphere where no other fighter jet can climb. That's what the rumors say. That's it for today's video. I hope you learned something today. If you want to see more, don't forget to follow. See you in the next one.